Have you ever wondered how or why some beginners land their first client in just few weeks, while others spend months applying and still hear nothing? Pareho namang beginners, pareho namang walang experience. So what's the difference? So in this video, I'll share the real reasons why some beginners get clients faster and how you can do the same. So it's me again, your VA Roxy, and let's get started. Okay, una dyan is they don't apply to everything. So one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is applying to every job they see. Like for example, social media VA, executive VA, bookkeeper, graphic designer, customer support, lead generation, lahat na lang ina-applyan. You know what the problem is? Clients can tell when you're just mass applying. Instead, successful beginners choose one direction, choose one niche. Maybe it's social media, maybe it's admin support, maybe it's email management. Kasi when you focus on one niche, your application becomes stronger because it feels more like you're intentional. Remember, it's better to be known for one thing than to claim you can do everything. Yes, I agree. Second is they customize every application. So here's something many beginners don't realize. Clients receives dozens, sometimes hundreds of applications, right? And if your message says, "Hi, I'm interested," or "Hi, please see my attached resume," you're blending in with everyone else. Instead, mention the client's business, what caught your attention, how you can help them. Dapat mag-stand out dapat ibahin mo ng konti yung atake mo para mas mapansin ka. Even a short personalized message can make a huge difference. Clients want to feel like you're applying for them, not just to anyone. Third is they invest in their profiles. So imagine, ikaw yung client. Let's just say ikaw yung client tapos you open a profile with no photo, empty description, ano pa ba, no portfolio. So, for you, would you hire that person? Maka-convince ka ba to hire that applicant? Hindi, di ba? Probably not. So your profile should answer 3 questions immediately. Who are you? What do you do? And why should someone hire you? Gets? So even if you're a beginner, a clean profile with sample works looks much more professional than an empty one. Next is they follow up professionally. So here's a mistake I see all the time. So someone applies, then waits. That's it. Ayun, nawala na lang. Sometimes clients simply gets busy. Alam naman natin yan. So a polite follow-up after a few days can remind them about your application. So not every follow-up will get a response, but some absolutely do. So just remember, follow up professionally, not every day. Wag naman yung every hour ka nagsisend ng follow-up message. Medyo nakakaano yung client pag ganyan eh. So just make it like, for example, nag-follow up ka today, tapos if walang response, balikan mo tomorrow. If wala pa rin, the next day, parang bigyan mo ng ideal days yung sarili mo na mag-follow up. So, if aabot na ng 1 week tapos walang response talaga din, it means you're not chosen. So, but depende din kasi yan. Basta just do your follow-up professionally and politely. Next is they improve after every rejection. So successful beginners don't take rejection personally. Instead, they ask, could my profile be better? Can I improve my portfolio? Was my proposal too generic? Because every rejection becomes feedback. Meanwhile, other people keep sending the exact same application over and over, hoping for different results. If nothing changes, neither will the outcome. So, alam mo yun yung parang, for example, months ka na nag-a-apply using the same application, using the same format, tapos parang walang result na nangyayari. So, I think it's time for you to upgrade, to improve. Know your pagkukulang din sa application mo. Baka may mas hinahanap si client na ganito, so dapat i-improve mo. Gumawa ka ng portfolio, gumawa ka ng sample. Para sa next application mo, mag-stand out ka na, mas may chance na mapili ka, no? Yung iba kasi kahit na-reject na using the same application, same pa rin, apply pa rin ng apply. Mafe-feel mo din kasi talaga yan if may mga need kang i-improve sa application mo. So, follow your instinct na lang na, okay, need kong ibahin to. So, yun. And last is, they stay consistent. So, this might be the biggest difference of all. Many beginners quit after 10 applications, 20 applications, 1 week, na-reject lang ng 10 times, tumigil na, alam mo yun. But the beginners who eventually succeed is yun yung mga nagki-keep showing up, they continue learning, they continue improving, applying, and eventually someone says yes to them. So your first client is often a number game, but it's also a quality game. So the goal isn't just to apply more, it's to apply better. Yes. Ako, when I remember nung first ko talaga sa freelancing or sa VA industry, sobrang hundreds nung pinasahan ko eh. Like, ang dami. Iba't ibang platform na LinkedIn, online jobs, Upwork, Facebook groups. Muntik na nga ako ma-scam until nakakita rin ako ng client talaga na nag-trust sa akin. Kasi hindi ako tumigil. Naging consistent ako kasi yun eh. Yun yung gusto ko. Gusto ko ng work from home. Gusto ko ng own ko yung time ko. So, huwag kang tumigil. Apply ka ng apply. Madami kasi dyan eh. Especially yung mga friends natin na nagsasabi na, hey girl, papasukin mo naman ako dyan. Gusto ko din mag-VA or mag-work from home. Hindi pwede yan, te. Like, hindi mo siya basta-basta papasukin lang ng dapat talaga siya dumaan sa process. And unless if may may experience na talaga siya as a virtual assistant, diba? But if beginner din siya, so need mo siyang turuan talaga kung paano mag-apply, paano i-improve yung resume niya, paano i-improve yung profile niya, paano mag-stand out. Yung iba kasi sa atin, iniisip nila na pag naging VA ka, madali lang lahat, madaling pasukan lahat. No, it's not. And alam kong madaming makaka-relate nito. Na-reject ka lang ng 10 times or 20 after your 20 applications, walang pumansin sa'yo, wag kang tumigil, no. Know the things na need mo i-improve, and baka dun, after nun, ma-hire ka na. So, if you're wondering why other beginners seem to get clients faster, don't compare your journey. Instead, ask yourself, am I applying strategically? Am I improving every week? Yun yung sinasabi ko. And am I giving clients a reason to choose me? Kasi siya hindi ako pinili eh. Because landing your first client isn't about luck. It's about preparation, persistence, and positioning. So now I want to hear from you guys. How long have you been trying to get your first client? Comment nyo nga below because I will read every comment and let's help each other. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to VA Masters, and please watch all our other YouTube videos. Sobrang makaka-help sa VA journey nyo or pag-start nyo as a virtual assistant. So yeah, I'll see you there, and yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye!